Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama. Today's video is a video that was requested by Janie. If you don't know who, like I said, I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing her name right, but if I'm not, I apologize. But I do have a giveaway going on right now with a few products that I purchased from her because she has a small business. It's amazing. One of those products was this right here. This is the What's Your Sign Lurella palette, and it's gorgeous, and it has all of the months and then like the signs like Libra for October and stuff like that in it. And in the giveaway post, I said I would really appreciate if you guys comment in the description, in the comment section, like a video request or whatnot, and she requested that I do a look every month with these colors. And I do think that she meant that I kind of follow, like I do a look with January, and then I'm assuming January is Capricorn. I just know October is Libra because I'm a Libra. So Libra and then October are like the pink colors. So I do think that she kind of possibly meant for me to use just the January and other colors. So I'm definitely going to do that. I'm going to try to do a look once a month with the colors specifically, but then I do want to do more looks like I did today with just different colors in the palette. So if you want to see this halo eye right here that I did, I used Aquarius and the pink October shade. I love how it turned out. I'm going to show you guys a little mini tutorial on how I did that. And then we will go in and do some swatches. Actually, I was going to do some swatches in this video, but I think that we will save the whole, like, because that's a lot of swatches to do. We will save seeing how these products wear and how we like the colors and stuff like this on this palette when we go and do the videos, because it'll be like my first time trying out the shadow. So yeah, also another fun look with this would be like a palette bingo. If some of y'all haven't seen videos like that, it's where you kind of pick 3 numbers from a bowl, and you have to choose, like you have to say this is the first section, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I picked out like 1, 4, and 10, I'd have to use those colors, you know? So such a gorgeous palette. I've never owned anything from Lurella before, and I'm very happy that I do. I will give you guys an up close on the palette right here. And again, shout out to Janie. I will have her small business link down below. She does sell products from this brand. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy New Year, by the way. This is the first video that I'm posting in the new year. Obviously, you'll see other videos before this that I've pre-filmed before that I've been meaning to get up. But yeah, Happy New Year. I hope you guys have a great year. This year, I'm going to be doing so much more on my channel. More makeup, beauty-related videos, but also more like self-care, health, like how my health's doing, fitness, tattoo videos, and so many different things. And I'm even thinking about possibly doing like a podcast. I have a few ideas. Might not be a podcast. It might just be like mommy type videos and stuff like that. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, so I already filled in my eyebrows, and then I did the NARS Light 1 Chantilly Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I love this stuff because I clean up my brows with it, and then I do apply it as a primer for my lids. That's like a good base. And I'm going to go in with these 2 colors right here. I want to do a halo eye today, so we're going to go in with October right here, a very gorgeous pink, and then Aquarius, which is like a deep burgundy-ish purple. And like I said, I'm going to try to do like a halo eye. So I'm just going to apply this, put some music over this, and not really like talk through it. So yeah, hopefully if you guys like videos of me more talking through makeup tutorials, let me know. Or if you like just me doing like music over it or something like that. So let's get started.
Guess it's been a while since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong, now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape, can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on. I don't wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go. Guess I didn't know it would end this way. One drink too much and I could see your face. Why did I let you go? How could I let you leave? Will I ever see you? And do you think of me? Love, let me go, cause I've been holding up for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong, now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape, can you let them all